Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I will like to show you the way how you can get the world clock on your phone. So these features or this application you can get defaultly on your iPhone whenever you purchase this device, and this feature is mostly used to know the time zone of every country, so we can know the time information of other country compared to the time that we have on our own country here. So how to access that? You just need to open the clock, open your app library, and then just type into the search button here clock, and right after you found it, you just need to go click it, and there will be like several options here. There will be like a alarms, stopwatch, timers, and world clock. Go tap this one. Now you just need to go decide what country, especially for the cities that you want to know the time informations. Go click this plus button, and then you just need to go click one of the city. I'll let you say Ankara, Turkey. So now you will got information about the time on Ankara, Turkey. So on my time here is like 9 p.m. But then in the Turkey it's already 5 p.m. So yeah, my country is like 4 hours forward to Ankara. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, guys, and let's meet again into other tutorial.